Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we are going to see why the great mystic J. Krishnamurti left the Theosophical Society of India. From Madanapalli, Krishnamurti's parents shifted to Chennai. They stayed at Adayar. Hence, Krishnamurti and his brother Nityananda used to go to Adayar beach, and there they were playing. Almost this was daily happening. One day, lead beater saw these boys. Lead beater could identify what kind of aura J. Krishnamurti had. He found out that J. Krishnamurti had a spiritual aura. Then he decided that Krishnamurti could be adopted to become a world teacher. Then lead beater introduced the boys to Mrs. Annie Besant. Mrs. Annie Besant was the president of Theosophical Society of India. Not only she was the president of Theosophical Society of India, but also she was a great social activist. Thereafter, Mrs. Annie Besant adopted these two boys. They were given all the facilities to become the spiritual persons. They were given enough training. Lead beater took care of them. Krishnamurti was given various trainings. Later, at Holland, he was to be declared as the world teacher. But Krishnamurti renounced that position. Instead, he declared that he was not a guru at all. He did not need any disciples or followers. The Star of the East was specially formed for his presidency. On behalf of Star of the East, Krishnamurti used to give lots of lectures. On that day, he declared that truth is a pathless land, and hence dissolved the most famous spiritual organization, the Star of the East, and he left the organization also. Now, why did he leave the organization? The main reason is that Theosophical Society of India believed that truth has many parts. They believed in the traditional ideas of all the religions. They believed that all the religions are leading to the truth. Instead, J. Krishnamurti told that truth is a pathless land. We cannot devise any path through truth. Truth is a living thing. It is not static. It is always dynamic. So, truth cannot be confined within any organization. So he dissolved the organization and left it. Again, he told that as far as spiritual life is concerned, there cannot be any authority. Life itself is the authority. Hence, he dissolved the organization. First, Mrs. Annie Besant had some worries about this, but later it all became very good. Up to death, J. Krishnamurti addressed Mrs. Annie Besant as his Amma. Their relationship was so good. Then Krishnamurti founded the organization Krishnamurti Foundation of India to preserve his teachings. It was not a spiritual organization at all. It was only a simple arrangement to keep his books preserved. Once again, we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of his life.